Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to install APK files on iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So talking about it in general, if it is not possible to directly install APK files in your iPhone, this is only designed for Android devices and iPhones usually don't allow this. So iPhone uses a different format than Android versions, and .ipa is the format which is used, which does not allow APK files to be downloaded as it may possess a danger to the device. However, there can be some workarounds like downloading a different kind of APK downloader third-party app to download files, or using a virtual machines or screen mirroring apps to stimulate an Android environment on your iPhone, which will allow you to get the APK files on your iPhone device as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.